Alright, I'm gonna be cutting the name Joe in a 16 gauge or 16 gauge piece of metal using my plasma cutter. This is the control board for the CNC. This is the control board to turn on the plasma cutter. I'm using an external relay. So basically there's two relays, one in here, one outside. There's an automotive on the outside, small one on the inside. And it's basically using the signal from the CNC machine, from the laser. There used to be a laser, it was a Vevor actually laser engraver. As you can see, all the wires were shielded and grounded. The shields are grounded everywhere. I could put it, I had to put a ground, and I used the fabric shield. Like this. Bought it off of Amazon. It's double, it's sticky on one side and not sticky on the other side, and it's basically it makes contact on both sides. It's conductive on both sides. I also use copper tape to attach the wire, the ground wires. So there's a piece of copper tape on here with the wire welded to it or solder to it, and then that ground wire goes to the ground of the unit. I even had to ground inside the unit itself. So there's a ground wire inside here and a ground wire inside here, because this machine will generate a lot of RF signal that would destroy or damage any electronic component. You can see also I had to modify, I had to actually make the O, because if you just use the letter O, it will get rid of the circle in the middle, so you won't get the correct, it will look like this. But if you do it the right way, basically this is what I'm doing right now, it will keep the part in the middle intact. It keeps it connected. As you can see, this is a table that I made from angle iron, and I cut slots in here to fit those 16 gauge pieces of metal. That looks like this. Pieces of metal that go across, and they are removable because basically you can consider that as a consumable. As you will see in a second here, very hot. Sorry about the noise from the compressor. And yeah, you can see this is basically consumable. I can like flip them around or replace them. It's very easy. And this is the final result of what I just printed. So again, it took me a while to get it done, and I think the major part was getting the grounding and the shielding done right, and as of now it is working right. So please subscribe.